What is up guys, done at the site. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Base44 to ElevenLabs. So first you need to head over to your Base44's website and then you need to log in with your account credential. After that, when you have logged in, here you will see the integration section. Simply click on this and then click on create integration. After clicking on create integration, here you need to type in the integration name, and after typing the integration name you need to enter the description. As you can see, I have written the integration name and the description, and after that, I'll simply click on continue to integration content. From here, I need to enter the secret name. I will choose as ElevenLabs, and after typing ElevenLabs, I need to enter the API key. So to get the API key, I just simply need to head over to the ElevenLabs, and then on the left side, you can see the developers option. Simply click on this developers option and then click on API keys. After clicking on API keys, you just simply need to click on create key, and then you need to enter the key name and then click on create key to create the new key. And after that, when you click on create key here, as you can see, the key has been created. Simply copy this API key and then head back to Base44 and paste it here. And after pasting, click on add API key. And as you can see, the API key has been added. Just simply paste this API key here in the implementation guide too. And after that, when you're done, simply click on save integration to save it. And as you can see, the integration has been successfully created. So this is how you can connect your Base44 to ElevenLabs. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.